In this video, I'll guide you through how to add site-wide animations in Squarespace. Animations can give your website a dynamic feel, making it more engaging and appealing to your visitors. Whether you're looking to add subtle effects or something more eye-catching, Squarespace has you covered with its range of animation options. Let's dive in and see how you can effortlessly enhance your site's visual appeal. To get started, you'll need to be in edit mode. So log into your Squarespace account and navigate to the site you want to modify. Once you're there, you'll notice a small paintbrush icon located at the top right corner of your screen. This icon is your gateway to customizing the global styles of your site, including animations. Go ahead and click on it. Once you've clicked the paintbrush icon, a menu will appear. From here, you'll want to focus on the Animations tab. Selecting this tab brings you directly to the options available for adding animations to your entire site. This is where you can decide how you want your content to transition as users navigate through your pages. Now comes the fun part, choosing an animation style that best fits your website's aesthetic and purpose. Squarespace offers several global styles, each providing a different effect. For instance, if you choose fade, your content will gently appear or disappear, creating a smooth and elegant transition. Opting for scale will make your content grow or shrink as it enters or leaves the view, which can add a sense of depth and movement. If you're looking for something a bit more dynamic, the slide option might catch your interest. This makes your content move in from the sides, top, or bottom of the screen, providing a more pronounced effect. The clip style, on the other hand, offers a more dramatic introduction by having your content slide in while seemingly being clipped by the edges of the screen. Lastly, there's the flex option, which can give your site a more modern and interactive feel as it allows elements to stretch or compress in a fluid motion. As you select each style, you'll immediately see a preview of how the animation looks on your site, allowing you to make an informed decision. Don't hesitate to try them all out to see which one resonates best with the overall vibe you're aiming to achieve. Remember, while animations can greatly enhance the user experience, it's important not to overdo them. Too many moving parts can distract from your content and slow down your site. Choose an animation style that complements your design and enhances the user journey without overwhelming it. Once you've made your choice, be sure to save the changes to ensure your animations are live on your site. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to add a touch of sophistication to your Squarespace site with animations. Thanks for joining me on this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, consider exploring more customization options within Squarespace to further tailor your site to your vision. Happy animating!